We have arrived at Gold Dust West in Carson City. We were driving by and we saw it. Decided, hey, let's go check it out because over here is Gold Dust West Hotel, and then right here, Gold Dust West. All right, let's go see. Follow me. Follow us as we check out this casino that's gonna blow our minds.
I mean, given the two places we've been at.
Yeah, that last two was horrendous. But you never know, this place probably could be really like,
Good.
yeah. Some places we walked into were like, what the hell? They have bowling in here. Oh.
Well, they have hotels, so it's more family friendly.
Oh wow. Let's go clockwise. Hey. Bar in the middle. They have table games here. So that's where you check into your hotel room over here on the left. You walk in right here, you see they actually have table games here.
Oh.
Yeah, I got root. So
No casino.
no, just table games. Yeah. $5 minimum. They got this game. Hey, look at this. They have Lucky Roller. What's the minimum? Huh? $5? Cool. Might have to try that out. Yeah, we're gonna go try that out and play. Cool. They got Lucky Roller here too. So we have craps. Let's go play that after. There's your Monopoly Express. Voodoo jackpots. Never seen that. I wonder if they're related to the other casino because they're all wearing the. Well, never mind. It's because of Easter. There's the Grille. I'm gonna walk over in this section real quick. Oh my goodness. You know, I haven't seen this game since we've been here, except for here. I hate that game, Cashman Bingo. Here's the bowling center. Let's take a look at the bowling center real quick. There's your bowling alley. And they got your kids arcade over here. Kids arcade. They have a bowling alley here. Wow, this place is actually pretty big. World class. I went to the bowling alley
Oh,
and the arcade over there. You want to go play over there real quick?
the arcade?
Over there. There's craps. Yeah, not Cashman Bingo. Are you gonna play Cashman Bingo?
No.
You wanna try craps? Let's go play. Let's go play a little bit of craps. So this is your Gold Dust West Casino. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. We're gonna go try our luck on these electronic craps.
Let's take a ride.
Cool, here we go. Look at this, everybody. I hit the tall and used to do aces.
Aces, come on, Aces.